Statutory rights versus fundamental rights. Are they both the same? No. Statutory rights, as the name suggests, are the rights which are derived from statute. Now, what does statute means? Statute means written laws. Who makes these laws? Parliament or the state legislature. So, Parliament and state legislatures passes the law. Now, in umbrella term, we can term them as law-making bodies. So, whenever these law-making bodies pass any law and rights which are conferred from those laws to the individuals, these rights are called as statutory rights. Now, basically the laws are passed in the form of acts. So, any rights which are guaranteed to us through these laws, acts are called as statutory rights. See, consumer protection rights we all have. Consumer rights which are guaranteed from Consumer Protection Act. Maternity leave which is guaranteed from Maternity Benefit Act. Tax deductions which we have, these rights are guaranteed from Income Tax Act. Protection to environment, these rights are guaranteed through Environmental Act. So, these acts, and there are many other acts also. So, whatever rights we are getting through these acts, these rights are called as statutory rights. Now, keep in mind one thing. If anyone can create anything, he can destroy it too. Similarly, if the statutory laws, rights are created by the lawmaking bodies, if the statutory rights are created by the laws passed by the lawmaking bodies, then at the same time, these rights can be taken away by these laws abolished by the lawmaking bodies. Means, if the lawmaking bodies feel that these laws are now inconsistent, then they might scrap it. And once the laws get scrapped, the rights and liabilities created through those acts, those laws, also comes to an end. So therefore, the statutory rights which the individuals are guaranteed are at the mercy of the lawmaking bodies. But this is not very easy. We have to go through many processes for scrapping certain act. But these laws are at their mercy. Law is created, right is guaranteed, law is scrapped, right is taken away. Okay, thank you.